As we try to understand the world around us, we all ask questions. Why is the sky blue? What is the meaning of life? Some questions are answered through scientific research, while others are explained by faith and mystery. But are the approaches of science and religion to these questions truly different? Does science demand explanation while religion tolerate mystery? Some claims naturally prompt the question why. For instance, when we say, the Earth goes around the sun, our minds immediately wonder about the reason behind this phenomenon. Similarly, the claim God exists might also trigger the question why. However, our approach to these two questions and the answers we expect might differ. Researchers at Princeton University conducted a study to examine this issue more closely. They asked people why questions from scientific and religious domains and measured how much explanation they expected and how satisfied they were with answers that appealed to mystery. The results were quite interesting. Participants judged scientific why questions to be in greater need of explanation and found answers like it's a mystery less adequate for these questions. The same wasn't true for religious why questions. People found it more acceptable for the answers to religious questions to be a mystery. The researchers also wondered if this difference stemmed from people's confidence levels in scientific and religious premises. Perhaps we expect more explanation for scientific statements because we have more confidence in them. However, a second study showed that even when people's confidence levels in these premises were statistically controlled for, the tendency to need more explanation for scientific questions and be less accepting of mystery remained. So, what could be the reason behind this difference? The researchers suggest that it stems from the fundamental nature of science and religion. Science seeks to understand the natural world through empirical evidence and logical inferences. Therefore, every claim is expected to have a rational and observable explanation. Religion, on the other hand, often deals with transcendent concepts that are difficult to experience or fully comprehend. Thus, it might be more acceptable for the answers to some religious questions to remain mysterious. This research can help us understand the fundamental differences between scientific and religious thought. Understanding science's pursuit of explanation and religion's tolerance of mystery can help us better appreciate potential tensions and different perspectives between these two domains. This can lead to greater tolerance and understanding towards different beliefs and thought systems. In conclusion, this research shows that science indeed tends to demand explanation, while religion may have a more tolerant approach towards mystery. This reflects a fundamental difference in how science and religion approach understanding the world. Perhaps both approaches are valuable and necessary in their own way to comprehend the complexity of the universe and existence.